In this video, I'm going to briefly cover StudyPartners.us Extractor, the vocabulary feature. So when you're logged in inside the Extractor, creating study partners and want to add vocabulary or use the vocabulary feature to add study partners, look underneath step 1 and click vocabulary. You should see your browser ask you www.studypartners.us wants to use your microphone, allow or block. Now, if you want to add audio and record audio as your answer, then you click Allow. If the browser does not ask you this, you may need to check your computer settings and make sure that you're giving your browser access to the microphone. So inside your settings, look at your microphone settings and see that the browser or other apps can have access to your microphone. Then you'll see this prompt when you click on that vocabulary button, and you can click Allow, which I'm going to do because I want to add audio to my question-answer combination. So it says add 5 to 6 definitions or images with corresponding words. I would like to add images, so it lets me know in the directions, make sure it's a JPEG, less than 50 kilobytes and 200 pixels by 200 pixels. So on the left side, where the question will appear, I'm going to upload an image. I've already prepared them, so this will be pretty quick. If I wanted to change my mind, I could click text and come back and enter a text for the vocabulary definition or the word. I could put green instead of the image green, but I'm going to go through at all of these images that I've prepared ahead of time. 4 colors. I'm going to be doing 5 colors. Spanish vocabulary for colors. Okay, so I've loaded 5 images, and on the right side I'll put the answer that I want for this vocabulary. So like I said, it's Spanish vocab, so I'll put the Spanish term for each color. So I'm typing the word or answer in. When you take the study partner, this will be on the right hand side, and this is the correct answer in text. And then I'm going to record the correct answer, and this is what you hear when you do Teach Me mode. So I want, when you're doing Teach Me mode and you see the blue circle, I want the word you hear to be azul. So let me click to record. Azul. And then I click stop when I'm done recording, and now I can play it back. Azul. If I'm okay with that, I keep it and keep going, or I can delete it and go again. So I'm just going to quickly record all of this audio. Verde. It's simple. You record it and then press the stop button when you're done with that recording. Rosado. Rojo. Amarillo. And then you can play all of them back to confirm that's what you want. But you also have another opportunity to edit and confirm by clicking step 2. And now this looks familiar to the text-based extractor, where you get to verify and confirm everything before you move on to finalizing. So I'll click through. Everything looks good. And that's it. I created a study partner based off vocabulary. So this will be Spanish colors 1. Take it, and now I'll do Teach Me mode. So you can see the audio that you added in vocabulary is what plays inside of Teach Me mode. Amarillo. And then this is the repeat. Amarillo. Rojo. And that's it. That's how you create a study partner using the vocabulary feature of StudyPartners.us Extractor.